Hi, this is Priyanshu, and in today's video we are going to solve our exercise 6, which is related to our Telangana State Board chapter 1 integers. Okay, right. So this is a very simple exercise, and in this one there is not a lot of question. This is our fill in the blanks only, and this is a very easy. So if you understand this, then it is better, and if you didn't understand, don't worry. If you give your 15 to 20 minutes to me, I will explain this exercise in very clear and understandable way to you. Okay, so let's see this one. So the first question is that fill in the blanks. Okay, right. So we don't have to do a lot of things in this one. This is a very simple questions. Like this is a minus 25 is given, it is divisible by something. Here it is something number is there, and when from here if any something number is there, when we divide that something number to from this, you will get our answer minus that is 25. So the dot where I put it the question mark, from which number we have to divide the 25, then we will get the 25. Okay, so like that the question is that. So this is a very simple way I can tell you how we can find this one. Whenever you get confused, divide that and that one only. If you, let's suppose if you divide minus 25 or 25, anyone you can divide. So let's suppose this is 25. If I divided by the minus 25, so you know 25 ones are 25, it's cross, minus 1 is there, put it the minus 1 here. So this is always clear that minus 1 is the our answer. So I can write this one in very clearly way. Okay, so minus 1 is the our answer. The first question is clear. Okay, so now let's come to our second question. The second question is that this from here what number we have to put when we divide with 1, our answer will be minus 49. So let's divide 1 into 49. If you divide 1 into the minus 49, then what will your answer? 1 into that's the 49 only, so then answer will be 41. But here it is a minus 49, so we have to put minus 1 also here. We know that if it is like this is 2 and this is 4, then it is then I can tell you in the simple way, I can tell you this one. We know that here if you divide 2 by 4, it is going to 2 2s are 4. Okay, and it's directly cancelled. But what about it when it is going to be okay, but when it is minus 4, then answer is 2 only, but this is going to be, but what, this is a 2 2s are 4 but not minus 4. So if you put minus 2, then it is going to be minus 4. Okay, because we know that. Okay, if you multiply this minus 4, but if you don't put like that, if you don't put like that, if you don't put here minus, then 2 2s are that's 4 only, but if you put minus, then 2 into 2 that's the minus 4. Okay, that's the answer. So that's why here the our answer is that, what is the our answer? So if you divide the minus 49 by 1, the answer will be minus 49 only. Okay, it is clear. So this is a very simple thing. It is a 0 only. Why? Because it is very easy, or you can say it is not a possible, because when you divide something into the 0 with the something, generally it is not possible. It is not possible. Simply it is not possible only, but you can write 0 also. But if it is like this is 50 and 0, okay, so what do you think, it is a possible or not? Okay, so actually there is a lot of confusion between this. If I write the two question here, and if you have a doubt also, you can check out this. If you divide 0 by 50, then what is the answer? If you divide 50 by 0, then what's your answer? I hope you will understand this. Okay, so just give me the answer. So generally I already told you, when you divide 0 with something, it is not possible only. Okay, like here this is not possible. Here I already told you it is not possible, so you can write not possible. Okay, but you know you can write 0 also, but if it is not given 0, then you can, after writing 0, you can write not possible. But when you divide 50 into 0, it is going to be 0 only. Okay, and here 50 that's 0 into 50, that's the simple not possible. From when you divide anything into 0, not possible. But when you any number is there, if you divide with the 0, it is 0 only. Okay, so I hope you will understand. So here it is clear. When you divide 0 with something 1, something like 50 and 40, anything number, then it is not possible only. It is not possible, but you can write 0 also. But when it is like 0 divisible by 50, then it is 0. Okay, but here it is given like here 50 divisible by 0, 0 divide 50, so it is not possible, but you can write 0 also. Okay, right, no problem. I tell one question in lot of time. Actually, I teach mathematics to the weak students, so that's why I speak lot of and I take a lot of time, that's why. Okay, so like here the question is there. Okay, so here the answer is 0. Okay, here the answer is 0 because we already know that if it is this is 1, this is 0, when you divide the answer will be 0. But if it is like 0 divisible by 1, then it is not possible. Then it is not possible. This is not possible, but this is possible. Why? Because when you divide 1 into 0, the answer is 0. Here we divide 0 with 50, so this is not possible. By 0 you cannot divide any number. If you have 0 chocolates, then you can give anyone? No, you cannot. But when you have 1 chocolates, then a student who don't have chocolates, so you can, it's your wish, you will give or not. Okay, so like that here it is 0, so when it's 0 divided by 50, then it is not possible. But here it have something potential or something, it have 1 chocolate only, leave it have not more chocolates, but it have not 0 chocolates also, it have only 1 chocolates, so it have potential that it can give from to the 0, it will give or it will not give, it is its choice. Okay, but here this is 1, so when you divide 1 with 0, that is going to be 0. But when it's 0, when you divide by any number, it is not possible. Remember, when you divide 0 with any number, not possible, not possible. When you divide any number with 0, its answer will be 0. This is important concept. I hope you will understand, and I don't know your teacher will tell you this in that much clearly or not, but I take a lot of time, but I explain each and every question to all the students. Okay, so don't worry, I hope this is clear to you, and this video is not 10 minutes, it's just 7 minutes video, or it's going to be 8 minutes video. Okay, so this exercise 6 is totally completed here, and if you have any doubt in this exercise, so don't worry about it. You just go to the our channel, that's comment box, and you can just write your doubt and you can just send to me, and definitely if your doubt is there, I clear your doubt by making the video, by explaining you or how it will be, I clear your doubt. So don't worry about it. For in any chapter, any subject, if you have in mathematics, in any chapter if you have doubt, then definitely you can leave a comment, I will solve your doubt. So we will meet on next video. Jai Hind.